Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the device down and removing any case or screen protector. This prevents accidental inputs and isolates the screen. Once done, examine the edges and small gaps for dirt or sticky residue that can press sensors. Use a bright light and a soft cloth to wipe frame areas. Apply a 1/2 strength isopropyl wipe on the bezel only, not the display. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static before continuing. Now you'll diagnose the cause. Check for moisture, debris under the bezel, or a swollen battery pushing the screen. These create phantom presses. Carefully use plastic picks to lift the screen edge just enough to inspect and clean. Once lifted, use electronics cleaner and a soft brush on flex cables and contact points to remove grime. Make sure to disconnect battery if you must manipulate connectors. Keep movements slow and steady to avoid damaging ribbons and solder joints. Finish by reseating the display and all connectors firmly, then test before snapping everything shut. Reconnect the battery and power on, watching for ghost touches. If you found a swollen battery or torn ribbon, replace that component. Do not continue with a compromised battery. If the issue persists after hardware checks, boot into safe mode or perform a factory reset to rule out software causes. If problems continue, seek a technician. Hardware faults compound quickly if mishandled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.